Today, I'm showing you how to use text effects in Android messages by enabling expressive animations. Let's get started. What are text effects? Text effects, also called expressive animations, add dynamic visual effects to your messages when you send certain words or phrases. For example, sending happy birthday creates balloon and confetti animations. Step 1. Open Messages app. Tap the Home button to return to your home screen, then open the Messages app, the default texting app on your Android device. Step 2. Access Settings. Before you can use text effects, you need to enable the feature. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the Messages app. Step 3. Go to Messages Settings. Scroll down and tap Messages Settings or just Settings. Step 4. Enable expressive animations. Scroll down until you find Show Expressive Animations or Text Effects. Toggle the switch on. This enables the animation feature for your messages. Step 5. Test the feature. Go back to your conversations and open a chat. Type a trigger phrase like Happy Birthday in the message field. Step 6. Send and watch animation. Tap Send, you'll see special animations appear on the screen. For happy birthday, balloons and confetti will fill your screen. Other trigger phrases. Here are some phrases that trigger animations. Congratulations, it creates celebration effects with confetti and party animations. Happy birthday shows balloons and birthday-themed effects. Happy New Year displays fireworks animations. There are several other trigger words that create different effects. How it works. When you type certain keywords or phrases, Google Messages automatically detects them and adds corresponding visual effects when you send the message. Both you and your recipient will see the animations if they also have expressive animations enabled. Turning it off. If you want to disable text effects, go back to Messages Settings and toggle off Show Expressive Animations. When disabled, your messages will send normally without any animations, even if you use trigger phrases. Why use text effects? Expressive animations enhance your messaging experience by adding fun, dynamic visual effects to your conversations. They make special occasions like birthdays and celebrations feel more personal and exciting. Requirements. This feature works with Google Messages, which is now the default messaging app on most Android devices. The feature uses RCS, Rich Communication Services, so both you and your recipient should have Google Messages and RCS enabled for the best experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled text effects in Android messages and can now send animated messages to make your conversations more expressive and fun.